Hey, Coach Tone. Hey, I did a video yesterday about hanging in there, don't quit, don't give up. And I wanted to follow up on that. I mean, you got a lot of great response and a lot of great messages back about, thanking me and that sort of thing. And I appreciate the response. And I thought I should follow up with that just on the basis, because I know a lot of people who are looking for other options other than just 9 to 5 going to work. They're skeptical about kind of this whole digital thing, other avenues. And let me just tell you, there you have options, and it's not a scam. Everything's not a scam. And look, sometimes you have to cut through the BS, of course. But make an investment in yourself. I don't know what to tell you. If you're afraid to invest, a couple $1,000s in your future, and you want to make a full-time salary, I'm sorry, you're going to be really disappointed. You need to make an investment. I mean, these young people out here are spending $60, $70, $80,000 on college, and you can't spend 10, 20, $30 on a PDF that could change your life, or that could change how you think, change your mindset. That's ridiculous. So you got to start there first. Anyway, I digress. But look, I wanted to follow up to say this. Like you guys, and I wanted to be here because this is where I started. Not at this particular house, a couple houses ago, but I started at the kitchen table. Look, I was what I was good at, and you can, whatever your niche is, figure out what that is. And of course, they say, health, wealth, and relationships are the top 3. You can do that if that's what you want to do. If you want to do something in your field, you can do that too. But figure out what that is. But anyway, a couple, 3 hours ago, I was sitting at the kitchen table, and I heard about this whole YouTube thing. I wanted to start it. It took me 6 months to get my first video. Ow. I mean, so don't be an idiot like me. Don't be stupid like me and wait 6 months. So look, get over yourself. Because I was looking and say, my voice sound weird. My teeth don't look great. I have alopecia. I went through all that crap. But let me tell you, people don't care. As long as you're giving them good information, you come across who you are and be who you are. People love that. I still get, hundreds of emails a day about, people who have followed me, my YouTube. And look, I don't have nearly the YouTube subscribers I should have. I think coming up on 6 years, I have like 14,500. But I have, 12, 13, 14 different streams of income. And, DM me. I'll share those with you, what they are. I'll kind of go through a couple of them. But I look back now, man, I should have 100. I should have 100,000. But I've made like 285 videos, which is not a whole lot over that time. And I see some of the people who started close to when I started, you got 700, 800, 1,500. Man, they've been in beast mode. And they're making a ton of money. And I should be there. But, look, I'm an actor, I'm an executive producer, and I do quite a few things too, right? But not to make excuses, but yeah, I certainly could have done better. But that's not the point. The point is that you have an opportunity to do this. This is the new reality. The digital world is $786 billion business in 2026, projected to be $1 trillion business. I saw a thing come out not too long ago. I think it's Reid Hoffman, the co-founder of LinkedIn, and they're projecting the 9 to 5 jobs will be extinct by 2034. If you can wrap your head around that, 9 to 5 jobs will be pretty much extinct by 2034. That's incredible. So what better time than to start now and to get a jump on people? And no, it's not a scam, it's not saturated, none of that silly stuff. And it's available to you. I just wanted to encourage you that, like me, who was worried about how they looked, um, high sound and all that stuff. It's silliness. Just start. And if you don't want to be on camera, you don't have to be. You could do it faceless and learn how to be a faceless content creator digitally. And because it's available, and people make tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars doing it. But I just wanted to share with you from my own experience that it's not a scam, it's real. You're going to get out of it what you put in it. No question about it. And, I talk about DWA. I signed up DWA less than a month ago, and I'm telling you, I'm not an expert at it. And like Richard Yu, who's the instructor, and Rachel, who's the creator. Thanks, Rachel and Richard. But like he talks about, he goes, information without implementation is meaningless. So like anything, I don't care if you buy a $27 digital product, and then you'll use it for a day or two and say, it was a scam. That's because you quit on it. You don't know until you actually do the work, put in the work, and follow through all the way. That's the only way you'll know. So I just wanted to give you encouragement about that. Look, any product that you buy, whether you get DWA or SWC from me, it doesn't matter, because it's not the course. And I love what people are saying now. They're like, sorry, my camera's a little crooked. Like people are saying, don't buy another course. And they're right. Study the heck out of that course and get to be an expert. I watch DWA, actually 4 modules, 5 modules, not just once, not just twice, not just 3 times, but I watched it for the 4th time today. And I got a few sales. I haven't sold a ton of it because I got 14 other incomes. But you know what? I'm going to get really good at selling it. That's just one of the things you could do, is resell it. I'm looking at all the other stuff that's in the program, in the course, the modules, and I'm learning how to be an expert on the other stuff that I do, that I'm already doing, like with my YouTube channel, how I'm posting more, how I'm making sure my links are active, how I'm adding more digital products, adding more affiliate. I'm just adding to what I'm already doing, and I can resell because you have MM rights, master resale rights, MMR rights, whatever, to resell the program. And I love that. And so and I know I'm a damn good coach. I ain't worried about that. So if you get it from me, I'm going to be your biggest cheerleader. But I tell people all the time, DWA is the S word. And I'm telling you, the guy who's the instructor and the creator, Rachel, I'm going to give Rachel some credit, but the co-creator, Richard Yu, who's the instructor, $23 million in sales, 45 employees, 5,500 high-ticket items. The guy's the truth. So the thing about it is that if you get into this space, it works. You have to you have to show up each and every day. Post, consistency. And like I said yesterday, don't quit. You got this, man. You got this. I love this business, and I'm going to get better. I'm just waiting to make my first 50 to $100,000 a month. I've probably done close to 500,000, $500,000 in my last 5 or 6 years, but that's way lower than I should be. So look, you got this. You can do this, and it's a great business. So I just wanted to share that with you, and look, if this helps one person, then I did my job. But get over yourself, get out of your way, and you got this. You can do this. If you want to leave that 9 to 5, it's possible. So I just wanted to encourage you, and good luck to all of you. All right, later.